As eager tourists embark on a journey to visit the enchanting Thu Bon River in Hoi An, Vietnam, they find themselves immersed in a captivating narrative that unfolds from day to night. Arriving at the riverbanks during the day, visitors are greeted by a scene of anticipation. Traditional wooden boats, adorned with vibrant lanterns, are gathered in one place, poised for the day's adventures. Tourists embark on boat tours, gently cruising along the Thu Bon River, their vessels weaving through the calm waters. Riverside Markets come to life with a kaleidoscope of colors and the lively energy of local vendors. Fresh produce and handmade crafts beckon, offering tourists an opportunity to delve into the cultural richness of Hoi An. As the sun begins its descent, a palpable transformation takes place. The boats, once gathered in unison, prepare for a mesmerizing spectacle. Lanterns, reminiscent of 1,000 stars, begin to illuminate the boats and the riverbanks. The atmosphere transforms as if a curtain is lifted on a magical stage, signaling the commencement of a night filled with enchantment. Night boat rides become a symphony of lights, with lantern-lit boats gracefully setting sail on the Thu Bon River. The reflections on the water create a dreamlike dance, captivating tourists and locals alike. It's a moment of transition, where the daytime activities seamlessly evolve into a nocturnal wonder. The once bustling riverside markets take on a different charm as the night unfolds. Street performers entertain the crowds, traditional music fills the air, and the tantalizing aroma of street food beckons. Lanterns of various hues adorn the stalls, casting a vibrant glow over the night markets. Cultural festivals occasionally grace the riverbanks, celebrating the town's heritage. Tourists become part of this living narrative, as the Thu Bon River acts as a silent storyteller, weaving together the past and present. In the end, tourists discover that the Thu Bon River is not merely a waterway, it's a living, breathing entity that orchestrates a seamless blend of daytime exploration and nighttime enchantment. As the boats gather in anticipation during the day, they set the stage for a transformative journey that unfolds as the sun bids farewell, leaving tourists with memories etched in the glow of lantern-lit waters.